Are you ready to future-proof your home network with speeds that feel like science fiction? Meet the Netgear Nighthawk RS700S, a Wi-Fi 7 powerhouse promising up to 19 Gbps of blazing speed, multi-gig wired connections, and enterprise-level coverage. But at nearly $700, is it just hype or the real deal for gamers, streamers, and smart homes? Stick around. We've tested it, stressed it, and we've got answers you don't want to miss. Netgear Nighthawk Overview. The Netgear Nighthawk RS700S is Netgear's flagship Wi-Fi 7 tri-band router, officially launched in 2024 and making waves in 2025 for its cutting-edge tech. Designed for power users, this beast caters to gamers, 4K, 8K streamers, and tech-heavy smart homes needing ultra-low latency and top-tier speeds. Built on the new 802.111be Wi-Fi 7 standard, it pushes boundaries with support for 6 GHz bands, 320 MHz channel widths, and multi-link operation, MLO. With its 10 Gbps WAN port and multiple 2.5 Gbps LAN ports, it's a dream setup for those upgrading to multi-gig internet. If you want a router that handles future bandwidth demands today, the RS700S is built for you. Design and build. Visually, the Nighthawk RS700S breaks away from conventional router designs. It's housed in a tall, monolithic tower, more like a next-gen console than a networking device. The minimalist look isn't wati just for show. The vertical design aids in heat dissipation and optimizes antenna orientation. Standing nearly 13 inches tall and weighing around 3.5 pounds, it's both solid and surprisingly sleek. The black matte finish with subtle LED indicators keeps things professional and low-key, ideal for tech enthusiasts who care about aesthetics. It's built with premium materials and feels every bit like a top-shelf product. The design is not just futuristic, it's practical, with rear ports hidden neatly for cable management. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the R700S a Wi-Fi 7 powerhouse. 1. Blazing Wi-Fi 7 speeds. Thanks to 320 MHz channel bandwidth and 4K QAM, it delivers up to 19 Gbps. Perfect for 8K streaming, AR, VR gaming, and households with dozens of devices. Compared to Wi-Fi 6, that's nearly 2.4x faster in ideal conditions. 2. 6 GHz band plus tri-band support. In addition to 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, you get access to the less congested 6 GHz spectrum, reducing interference and improving performance in crowded neighborhoods. 3. Multi-link operation, MLO. MLO allows devices to connect across multiple bands simultaneously, improving stability and reducing latency. This is a game changer for VR headsets and competitive gaming. 4. Powerful wired options. The R700S is equipped with a 10 Gbps WAN port, 4 2.5 Gbps LAN ports, and link aggregation, meaning you can finally match your wired and wireless speeds with next-gen ISPs. Compared to other Wi-Fi 7 routers like the TP-Link Archer BE900, the RS700S prioritizes clean design, better thermal handling, and more advanced multi-gig wired support, making it stand out for power users. Performance. In real-world testing, the RS700S doesn't just look powerful, it performs like a beast. We tested it in a 3,000-square-foot home with over 35 smart devices and got consistently high speeds in every room, even with multiple 4K streams and large file transfers running. On the 6 GHz band, we saw actual throughput over 4.5 Gbps at short range and near 2 Gbps on the 5 GHz at mid-distance. Gaming over Wi-Fi? With MLO enabled, latency was incredibly low, often matching wired connections, which is rare for wireless setups. Even in the most demanding use cases like VR gaming and NAS streaming, the RS700S held its ground with zero hiccups. Heat management is impressive too. After stress tests, the router stayed cool to the touch, thanks to its vertical chassis design and internal cooling layout. The Netgear Nighthawk app makes setup a breeze. letting you configure parental controls, guest networks, and QoS in under 10 minutes. While the Netgear Armor subscription is a paid extra, it offers a robust security suite for those concerned about network safety. Pros: ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7 performance with up to 19 Gbps speed, 6 GHz band and MLO deliver unmatched stability and low latency, 10 Gbps WAN plus 2.5 Gbps LAN ports for true multi-gig networking, excellent range and heat management in a stylish tower design. Cons: high price point near $700, Netgear Armor security requires a subscription, only one USB port for external storage or sharing. Final verdict. So, who should buy the Netgear RS700S? If you're a tech enthusiast, gamer, or content creator with a need for speed and a growing smart home, this router is worth every dollar. It's expensive, no doubt, but it delivers future-ready performance with stunning consistency. Compared to other Wi-Fi 7 routers, its combination of blazing wireless speed, multi-gig ports, and modern design makes it the best premium router of 2025. For most average households, it might be overkill, but for power users who want the absolute best, the RS700S is the Wi-Fi 7 kingpin.